Namaste students. Today we will learn the first poem of your expression English textbook called Sneezels. This poem is written by Alan Alexander Milne. Alan Alexander Milne was an English author. He is best known for his books about the teddy bear Winnie the Pooh. In this poem, we will come across the name Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin was the only child of Alexander Milne. The name Christopher Robin was also a character in Alexander Milne's story Winnie the Pooh and in 2 books of poems. Christopher Robin had weasels and sneezels. They bundled him into his bed. They gave him what goes with a cold in the nose and some more for a cold in the head. They wondered if weasels could turn into measles, if sneezels would turn into mumps. So, there's this boy called Christopher Robin who had weasels. Weasels means it caused heavy breathing, and sneezels. He used to sneeze multiple times, so his parents were worried about him. That is why his parents bundled him into his bed. Bundled him into his bed means they put him in his bed with warm clothes. They also gave him some medicines which will stop him from sneezing, and also they gave some medicines for the fever in the head. And now they are wondering if the weasels, if the heavy breathing would turn into measles. Measles is a kind of infectious viral sickness which causes fever and rashes in the body. And also they were worried if the multiple sneezing would turn into mumps. Mump is also a viral disease which causes fever and swelling in the body. They examined his chest for a rash and the rest of his body for swellings and lumps. They sent for some doctors in sneezels and weasels to tell them what ought to be done. All sorts and conditions of famous physicians came hurrying round at a run. Christopher Robinson's parents checked his chest if there is some redness or itching in his chest. They also checked his rest of his body for some swellings or lumps. So they were so worried that they called some doctors who were good in examining patients with cold and fever. They also asked them what is the necessary precautions to be taken to make Christopher Robin better again. They all made a note of the state of his throat. They asked if he suffered from thirst. They asked if the sneezels came after the weasels or if the first sneezel came first. They said, if you teasel a sneezel or a weasel, a measle may easily grow. So, all the doctors made a note of his condition, and the doctors asked many questions to his parents, like whether the sneezing comes after the heavy breathing or it comes before. And after a lot of examining, they suggested that if he teasels or if he does not take care of his condition, then very soon he might get a viral fever and it could turn into measles. But humor or pleasel, the weasel or sneezle, the measle will certainly go. They expounded the reasons for sneezels and weasels. The manner of measles were new. They said, if he freezes in droughts and in breezes, then feasels may even ensue. Now, the doctor said a very interesting thing to Christopher Robinson's parents. They suggested that if he makes someone happy or have a positive attitude within himself, then it will be the best medicine to cure his disease. They expounded. Expounded means they explained the various reasons what sneezes and heavy breathing can do to produce a measle in his body. The doctors also suggested that if Christopher Robin plays during his sickness and does not take a bed rest, then he might fall into serious illness like tuberculosis. Christopher Robin got up in the morning. The sneezels had vanished away, and the look in his eyes seemed to say to the sky, "Now how to amuse them today?" The next morning, Christopher Robin got up. He realized that his illness had vanished away. He felt healthier and stronger that day. He got up from his bed and kept looking to the sky, thinking how to amuse his parents today. Let's have a quick understanding of the poem Sneezels. The poem begins with the speaker telling of Christopher's illness and how his parents put him to bed. He was suffering from cold, but his parents get very upset, imagining that it was something worse. They consult with a number of doctors who make the situation out to be even more complicated than before. But by the end of the poem, it is clear that Christopher is all better and is planning the next thing he is going to do is to amuse his parents. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed the poem Sneezels. If there's any question regarding the poem, then please don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section below. Goodbye.